let's say ang drag is proportional to the mass or some coefficient and proportional to your velocity. The faster you move, the faster or the larger is the drag force. So it's given by this expression, CV. C would be your coefficient sa imong drag force. V is the velocity. Okay? So, all in all, ang imuhang object, although naa siya, o imuhang person, the parasites, although naa siya drag, but the net movement is downward. Still downward. So, naa ko'y acceleration. Acceleration is, that's y double dot. Ka-familiar mo ng annotation ka ng y double dot? Naka-encounter na mo na ang annotation? Wala pa? Okay. So, ang y double dot is just y double derivative. So, wala siya dy over dt. This is actually y dot. So, ang imong dy squared, dt squared, meaning kaduhanin mo siya derivative, you have y double dot. Okay ba? Okay. So that's basically the equation of motion. So we have acceleration is equal to y double dot. Okay lang ba so far? Nalagi nag-sad face. So kuha na ni siya ha kanang just to show you ang iyahang equation. Then later on mag ano na ta, we'll stick ta sa numerical katong how to numerically solve the integration. So ang summation of forces would be summation of forces along the y. That would be MA. Tama? So nakaagi naman mo ani, right? So the summation of forces is equal to MA. So na motion. And what are the summation of forces? Mo tong so this is M y double dot. This is equal to the summation of forces. So ang force along the y. So we have, let's say, positive mg. So positive na siya because ang direction is along the motion. So that's mg. And then minus ang imuhang drag. So that would be c y dot. Okay? Next is i-divide na to the whole thing by m. Y double dot is equal to g minus c over m y dot. Or we can just rearrange this y double dot plus c over m y dot is equal to g. Okay? So ako siya i-rewrite. This is actually d over dt dy over dt plus c over m dy over dt equals g. Okay? And the solution to that, or to this equation, is actually given by this expression. So, dili na mo sulod ang inyong differential calculus wherein i-discuss ninyo na sa inyong differential calculus na subject. So, ang iyang solution would be wait. Okay, so y would be mg over c integral from 0 to t 1 minus e to the negative c over m t dt. Or this y is just the distance d. Okay? So this is your solution. So atong ipangita is, so what this equation tells you, unsa ang distance ngayang makover as time progresses. Okay? So this is the equation now. M is given, which is the mass of the parachutist. G is just the gravity, constant gravity. C is your coefficient simon drag force. And everything else is constant, and then you can just easily integrate this using paper and pen. But with the knowledge of numerical techniques and methods, you can also calculate the integral using the methods that we discussed yesterday. Question? Libog ba? Sige, comment daw. Any comment? Critel, Kyron, Angelo? Libog siya? So for now, dili man na siya mo make sense kaayo kay actually this is mo ang magini siya ang physics gyud, right? Because ano man gid siya, supposedly this is a physics gyud siya nga class. But since medyo libog din siya kay wala pa man gud mo knowledge sa differential calculus. But let's say ignore sa ninyo ang libog nga part and then just focus on the result. Kaya di ba itong naka-box in red? So if you focus on that one, and then diha na ta mosulod. Kaya to ang nahibaw-an naman di ba is how to do numerical integration using how to do numerical integration using the techniques that we knew. Katulad atong na-discuss yesterday. Say using trapezoid rule, Simpson's rule, Simpson's 3/8, Boole's rule, and even GNU Octave uh, integration routine na atong nahibaw-an. So if you look at this integral, okay, kay bawo mo usaon sa pag-integrate, right? Kani siya nga equation kay naka-box in red by hand. Tama? Okay, good. How about integrating this integral box in red using numerical means? Unsaon siya? Sige, let's look at ato to sa Octave Online. Okay, makita naman no. So sa Octave Online, we can do programming. Same thing gihapon sa Octave nga kanang gamit sa PC nga wala internet. But na disadvantage lang ani is kailangan siya internet kaning Octave Online for it to work. So let's say mag-create tag function. So ang name lang ani is si sample lang na siya. Function function ang result niya is d. So the function is sample. Function name is sample. And it takes an input of time. And then natay format, is formatting is format short. And declare the constants. G is equal to 9.8. Oh, kalimutan ko sa, this is the comment I guess. Yeah. This one is in meter per second squared. And then the mass is, let's say, what's an average or typical weight of, or typical mass of a healthy person, healthy adult? Let's say 60 kilogram. So this is in kilogram. And C is some constant coefficient of drag force. And we do the integral or the integration. So D is equal to, if you look at the equation once again, kana atong gamiton. So you have mg over c times the integral of that whole thing. Okay? Okay, so that would be mass times gravity over c times katong integral nato, which is the integrand 1 minus exp. So 1 minus e to the, so that would be negative c over m times t, and kana. Okay? So that's it. That's how you set up your uh, code in integrating the parachutist nga equation. So next thing to do is ato siya i-run. Okay? So how do you implement this? Let's see kung sakto ba na siya. So let's say you call the quad function. Quad for quadrature. Then we have sample. Let's say evaluate the integral from 0 to 10. Kasi from 0 seconds up to 10 seconds. So unsay result, let me take, yes. Sorry. Dapat na ano na siya. Sorry. Okay. So unsay result? So the answer would be 1,515 below the reference line. You try to check this one if pareha ba siya sa calculation using paper and pen. Any question? So without using this one, without using the kaning sa script, pwede ka actually diretso din mag-code sa command window. Okay? So let's say establish nimo una ang value sa G, that would be 9.8, M is 60, C is 12. Okay? So mo na siya diha. After that, magbuhat ng anonymous function. Say f is equal to at x or at t. Na. Then we have m times g over c times 1 minus exp minus c over m times t. Then hit enter. Okay. So dapat naka-dot ni siya. Wait, murag okay. So, let me so we have at t m times g over c 1 minus c over m. So, pwede rin siya wala. M times g over c, okay, times 1 minus exp. Dapat work din siya. So, let me try lang sa ato ang offline kaning sa PC. So, I'll just have to compare lang. Ato ko sa PC ha. Let me see. Okay. I hope makita ninyo ako ang screen. So, inani siya. So, you put first the constants. You have g equals 9.81. Let's say ang m is 70. Then c is 12. Then you put the anonymous function, katong integrand. So we have m times g over c times 1 minus e to the negative c over m times t. So if you hit enter, you get this. And then, if you want to evaluate using the quad function, you have d from 0 to 10. Okay? So if you have your computer with you or cell phone or tablet, you can actually do this and test if unsa iyang result. And for this case, it's 298. Question? Any questions? Wala na? So everything is clear? So you can try it sa inyong PC. Ano naman siya para ma-practice ninyo ang iyang coding. So you can use quad. Pwede mo gamit ito katong trap Z. If naka-recall mo ato, katong natay itong trap Z na atay code ato. And for the primitive ones, you can use katong composite. We have trapezoid, Simpson's 3/8, Simpson's rule, and the Boole's rule. Okay. So let's move on sa next nga type of integral nga to i-consider. So let's consider the Gauss Legendre quadrature. So for the Gauss-Legendre quadrature, so this is another method in evaluating definite integrals that is applicable to an even larger class of integrals than previously indicated. Ito ang na-discuss last time. The rule for integration is a special case because ang imuhang integration ani would be over an interval from negative 1 to 1. And the integration takes the form from negative 1 to 1 f of x dx is equal to approximately equal to m1 up to n weights m and then f of x abscissa x sub m. Okay. So this is the Gauss-Legendre quadrature. The same lang yung form actually sa previous, but ang difference lang is ang iyahang limit sa integral is from negative 1 to 1. Now, why is this special? So, nalo siya special place sa physics because when you go into higher physics, let's say quantum mechanics, classical electromagnetism, electrodynamics, magbalik-balik ni siyang integral nga na negative 1 to 1 nga iyahang limit. So, yung application niya into, let's say, atoms, electric fields, and magnetic fields. And since magbalik-balik din siya gawas, so na siya ginatawag nga special nga name, class of functions, we call that one a Legendre polynomial functions. And integrating this one, we have the method called Gauss-Legendre quadrature. So where w of x here is just your positive definite weighting function. So katong na mga weights. Okay? It's the same function discussed sa previous, katong nag-derive ta sa trapezoid. In this case, both the weights and the abscissas, weights meaning kani, this is the weights and the abscissas x sub m, both are unknowns. So both are unknowns. Okay? So we have a total of 2 times n unknowns if we have n points. Okay? So the idea is to require that this quadrature exact siya dapat for polynomials of order 2 to the n, 2n minus 1 and less. So from here, we have to determine the weights and the abscissas of the quadrature. So doing the derivation of these 2n unknown coefficients would be hassle, cumbersome, time-consuming, even just for n equals 3. So, let alone those higher numbers of points of n. So, luckily sa atua, we don't have to actually do all the work from scratch every time we need to perform numerical integration by using Gaussian quadrature because naamay table ani nga form. Okay? So, ako ipakita ang table. So, nana siya sa appendix. So, this is the Gauss-Legendre quadrature, the weights and abscissas. If you take a look, this is your equation, kaning integral from negative 1 to 1. So, if given a certain function nga mong i-integrate, let's say, mo ask ang problem of using 2 points. So, kani nga mga points imong gamiton for n equals 2. ang imong x sub m or abscissas, you have 2 points. We have 0.57735 and so on. Positive and negative. And the weights niya is the same. That's 1. For n equals 3, you have these points. You have 3 points sa imuhang abscissas and 2 points. 2 values lang sa imuhang weights. Kay technically, the plus minus 0.77459 and so on has the same. Oh, they have the same uh, value of the weights. Then for 0 nga abscissa, you have 0.88 nga weights. For n equals 4, we have the following points. For n equals 5, so kanin siya nga mga points, actually taas-taas na siya nga process nga imuha siyang i-determine by hand, mating mathematics, masikag solve. But since na-solve naman siya previously and we are just concerned with numerically integrating a certain function, then we just have to make use of this table. Okay, up to ano na siya, n equals, this is not yet exhaustive, but this would be enough. Let's say around n equals 12. So mano-mano na siya nimo ilista. If you look at the equation, summation na siya. So if n is equal to 2, so dapat na ako'y duha ka summation. Duha ka term nga akong isum. You say at x equals x sub 0 and x sub 1. So ang x sub 0, you have positive 0.57735 and so on. And ang miwang x sub 1 would be negative 0.57735 and so on. And the weights is 1, the same. Hindi mo siya i-add. Nakuha ba? Na-gets? Did you gets? So, pangutana mo, if karon palang daan, kaya mag-solve na taon niya by paper and pen. Did you gets or did you not? Balik ko sa kuan ha sa kani siya. So, mo ni siya. Let's say for n equals 2, integrate x squared. Okay? So, using Gauss-Legendre. So, we have negative 1 to 1 x squared dx, tama? Then, summation man na siya. Okay? So, for n equals 2, na ko'y duha, right? So, they say W0 times x sub 0 squared plus W1 x sub 1 squared. Do you have your paper and pen with you and a calculator maybe or a cell phone? Can you calculate the integral of x squared? So copy this formula. Okay, I will call randomly a person later. Copy this formula and for the W naught and W1, X naught and X1 values, mao na siya yung gamiton. Wait sa, ako sa muna yung gamiton ng mga points. Klaro naman, no? Are we clear? Nakuha ba ang instruction? Pwede balikon sa instruction. So, okay. So you have, kanisa, you have the integral of x squared dx from negative 1 to 1. So integrate na siya using Gauss-Legendre. So ang formula is mo ang formula sa taas, right? Kani? Then for n equals 2, mo ni siya yung equation kani. Kani akong gi-highlight. Imo na siya i-substitute ang kaning W naught nga value and W1 with its corresponding X naught and X1. Then try to get the result if mao pa ang result nga makuha if you integrate x squared minus 1 using by hand. Sige daw. Let's say mga 5 minutes. And if you have an answer, you can type in the chat box or open your mic. Say gimin anang W1, W naught and W1. Okay, good question. Kaning W naught, mo na siya ang kaning WM, di ba? Kaning nasa right hand side. Kaning sa table. So kanang WM, mo na siya ang kanang naught and 1. So if ang N equals 2, so duha imong W naught and W1. So if N equals 2, so na ako'y W naught, na ako'y W1, na ako'y X naught, na ako'y X1. Correct? If N equals 3, so na ako'y W naught, W1, W2, ang X pod na ako'y X naught, X1, X2. Ang kaning nga mga values na sa table. Kaning nasa right side. So all you have to do is determine the values X and W. I-substitute ra nimo sa kaning equation. You take the sum and then that's it. Naana ba'y nakakuha? 2/3. So, let me ito sa isolve. So, ano naman siya bali? So, if you do it by paper and pen, negative 1 to 1, x squared dx. So, that would be x cubed over 3. Then, that's from negative 1 to 1. That would be 1/3 plus 1/3. So, that should be 2/3. So, dapat 2/3 po rin mo makuha if we use this formula. Kani bitang, so dapat 2/3 po rin mo makuha if you have x squared dx. We have w naught x naught squared plus w1 x1 squared. What's w naught? Usa naman if at n equals 2, usa naman, di ba, ang w which is 1. So that would be 1 times unsa ang x naught. Let's say sugod ka sa positive or let's say sugod ka sa negative. So negative 0.5775 and so on squared plus imong w1 is still 1 kay usa ra man na siya times the w1 x1 is positive 0.57735 and so on squared. That should give you 2/3. Nagets ba? Okay? Okay, let's have another problem. So, we want more problems, di ba? Evaluate the integral negative 1 to 1 x to the m dx where m runs from 0, 1, 2 up to let's say 9 using n equals 5. Okay, take a look at this problem. Evaluate the integral of x to the m. So, ang x to the m, pwede siya mo, kaganina kay x squared man to, di ba? Kani siya is more, mas general. Pwede x to the 0, pwede x to the 1, x squared, x cubed, x fourth, and so on. Okay? Using Gauss-Legendre quadrature with n equals 5. Now, if you look at the table, asa ang n equals 5? Kani imong gamiton nga mga points. Kana. So, pila na siya kabuok points? 5 na siya. Wait sa view. Okay. So kanang n equals 5. So nakita ninyo? So I hope clear naman siya, no? So for n equals 5, kana. So if the same process ang yung what ganina, but this time is which didaghan ang points. N equals 5. Okay? So if you do a program ani, let me go back sa kaning computer para sa coding. Okay. So what to do is this. Wait. So mag-create ang function. Say function. Makita na ba siya? It's a So we'll create a function. Ako sang padako na. Okay. Function. Say ang name na to is sample. Then we'll take sa an input of m. Depende kung unsa to iyahang degree. Then we have format long. So atong i-type ang katong value sa x and w. Okay? So kung ato siya i-type, it would somehow look like this. Wait. Ana. So if you notice, mo na siya ang mga values sa x kato kaganina. So we have x equals katong plus minus 0.9, then plus minus 0.5, then the 0. Next is ibutang dira ang katong w. Okay? Naka-follow ba? So that would be the w. Next is your function f is just x to the m. So nana siya dot because element wise. Then the resulting integral would be say result you take the sum of the individual itong w times f. The abscissas, the weights, and the f function. Nagets ba? Okay? So if we run this one, to siya i-run ha. So hopefully wala na siya error. Butang sa tawag end. So the file name is sample. Let's try first katong bitang 2. So pasabot na ng 2 is katong x squared. Right? If we go back sa tuang code, m is katong order, katong x to the. Okay? So if we run this one, it should give us 2/3, right? So 2/3 is indeed 0.6666 and so on. Correct? So this is using n equals 5. So mas accurate ni siya. What about x to the 7? So pwede sa siya, x to the 7. Then using Gauss-Legendre, n equals 5. The result is gamay kay siya. That's 8.6736 times 10 to the negative 19 ang iyang result. Will make sense man siya, di ba? Because x to the 7, the integral is x to the 8 over 8 and evaluated from negative 1 to 1. Question? Walay pangutana? Okay. So nalipog ko if nasabtan ba to or just padayon na lang diha, sir, bahala ka diha. Basin ako rin nagyoyo diri ha. Okay ra mo? Kay mapusid ta gyud ta sa mas lisod. Oh, sayon naman ni siya. Mapusid ta sa medyo ano siya, not so sayon. O sayon na gihapon technically. So pwede, yeah, pwede breaks up ba? We need a break. So balik lang ta by 2:45. Asa no? 2:45 sige. So be back at 2:45 kay mugawas sa pod ko mapalit og snacks. Kay masad pagkaon sad mo diha.